Six figures used to be the finish line. Now it's the baseline for struggle. If you're earning $100,000 and still feel breathless, you aren't imagining it. You aren't failing. You're being compressed. In the next 24 months, the math of making it is changing forever. If you don't see the theft now, you'll feel the poverty later. Your salary went up, but your freedom stayed the same. Maybe it actually shrank. This is the 100K trap. Inflation isn't just the price of milk, it's the price of your time. In 2026, $100,000 buys exactly what $50,000 bought a decade ago, but the expectations have doubled. Your rent is higher, your subscriptions are invisible leaks, your convenience apps are tax collectors you invited into your pocket. You're earning more, but you're owning less of your life. Most people think they have an income problem. They don't. They have a positioning problem. Let's look in the mirror. Most of your spending isn't logical. It's dopamine regulation. You're stressed, so you upgrade. You feel behind, so you consume. You're not buying products, you're buying relief. And relief is the most expensive line item in your budget. You avoid tracking your expenses because awareness creates discomfort. You'd rather live in a profitable illusion than a painful reality. But illusion is a debt that eventually comes due. People don't destroy wealth in one big crash. They leak it, one treat-yourself Friday at a time. Slow leaks sink ships, and the economic ocean is getting rougher. The global economy is shifting. It's moving from paying for effort to paying for leverage. If your 100K job can be explained in a manual, it can be replaced by a prompt. AI doesn't need to be smarter than you, it just needs to be faster and cheaper. Companies no longer reward loyalty, they reward efficiency. If you're trading hours for dollars, your ceiling has a ceiling. If you're trading judgment and systems for dollars, your ceiling disappears. The average worker is being hunted, and $100,000 is now the peak of average. The middle ground is disappearing. You are either becoming the architect or the outsourced. The biggest mistake you're making, you are living without a financial operating system. You earn emotionally, spend impulsively, save randomly, and plan never. You upgrade your lifestyle automatically, but you upgrade your skills rarely. That system worked in a slow world. It collapses in 2026. AI doesn't destroy people, it exposes weak systems. You don't need a miracle, you need a protocol. 4 steps. 1. Radical flow audit. Stop checking your balance, start auditing your flow. Track every cent for 30 days. Not to be perfect, to be honest. Numbers remove the illusion. 2. The psychological buffer. Build 3 months of liquid expenses. This isn't for investing, it's for your brain. Cash in the bank changes how you negotiate. It turns "yes, sir" into "I'll think about it." Choice is the ultimate leverage. 3. The 48-hour filter. Insert a delay between impulse and action. Ask, does this buy me strength or just temporary relief? If it doesn't build leverage, it's noise. 4. Leverage focus. Stop competing with machines. Invest in skills that require judgment, trust, and ownership. If AI can do it in 5 seconds, don't spend 5 years mastering it. Build systems, not just salaries. The next decade will not destroy people, it will reveal them. It will reveal who built a system and who built a facade. The reactive will feel the pressure. The aware will build freedom. You don't need to be a genius, you need to be disciplined. You don't need 10 income streams, you need control over one. Then you scale. This video is for educational purposes only. The math is real, the choices are yours. If this shifted how you see your paycheck, like the video. Subscribe if you want financial clarity without the noise. One question for the comments. What is the one leak in your budget you've been too afraid to fix? Face it, then fix it.